Welcome back to Not A Barista Unboxing. Today we are checking out the new stylish and super compact BOOKOO Mini Espresso Scale. This scale immediately caught our attention with this unique looking. Take a look at this unique transparent top panel, measuring just 8 by 8 centimeters. It's perfect size for every espresso lovers. It also connects your smartphone through Bluetooth to give you more data you need. So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts and comment below, and see you next time.